Hello, everybody. It's Larry, and welcome to an announcement. We're going to start 2 minutes at 2. So, 2 at 2, 2 at 2, every day at 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. And we're going to release a 2-minute video about genealogy, giving a tip or trick on the various platforms. Many will be Ancestry, some will be MyHeritage, FTDNA, 23andMe. We'll just kind of go the gamut, and some will be resources even outside of the big DNA companies, talking about the sources like we talked about HathaTrust to find family tree information. So what I'll do is I'll have a video, and down at the bottom left I'll have this 2-minute clock that you see right here, and the entire tip, all the details about it will be in the 2 minutes. Now, I'm trying not to rush it. So I know one of the big complaints I get is my mouse moves all over and I talk too fast. So these will be 2-minute tips. They're going to be very short, very concise, and there'll be things that you can try. So, for simple 2 minutes, check it out, see what it says. It won't take that long. And maybe you'll find some good clues and some things that you haven't done before. And it's another way to bring some of the older videos to be more current. There's some great information, but we started off the channel, there were 100 people watching, and probably half the videos came out, we were probably at 1,000 subscribers. Well, now we're closing in over 9,000, closing on 10,000. And so many people haven't seen those older videos. So what I'm going to do is try to make those more concise and make them into little 2-minute digestible bites. And I hope you enjoy them. I think you will. And so check out, starting at 2 o'clock today. 2 o'clock, and every day at 2 o'clock till the end of the year, 2 at 2. Hope you enjoy them. See, I got time left. I won't be rushed, right?